What is up, everybody? Welcome to Sport 12. Look at the Sport Code 12 that Max is just dealing with the ball. I am with Max today, and we're going to unbox some NFL draft football cards today. And then we're going to talk about sports, and we also got these. But hey, today we'll open some packs first. After we open some packs, then we are going to talk about some sports news that is coming up right now. All right, Max, you go off first.
Well, then you show these first.
We got a Jordan Hollywood.
Jaden Hazelwood.
Jaden Hazelwood. I don't know his name, so my bad. Signed card. Then we got Travis
Hodges Tomlinson.
Rashard Torrance II. And then we're going to start. So do you want to unbox one card pack and then both do it at the same time?
There's a lot of these packs.
A lot of them. Alright, I'm not going to... You go first.
Okay. We have Rakeem Jarrett, CJ Stroud, a first overall Earl Campbell, a first overall OJ Simpson, and then Tank Bell.
I have a first overall Troy Aikman. I have a CJ Stroud. I have Trevon Henderson, class of 2024. Caleb Williamson, class of 2024. And Rakeem Jarrett, draft class 2023.
I got Marvin Mims Jr.
Who's a Denver Bronco? I didn't know.
Also an Oklahoma Sooner. I have Will Anderson Jr. This 5th overall pick.
No, I thought it was the 2nd overall pick.
He might have. Go get it.
I got the door.
Who is that?
We just got some snacks.
Who was that?
That was my mom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or keep going. Got Ronnie Bell. Anthony Richardson, who's the 3rd overall pick to the Colts.
He was the 5th overall.
Josh Downs.
4th. I got Zach Tromnet. He has a hard last name. Running back from UCLA. I have Jalen Carter, who was drafted from the Eagles, surprisingly. He did have some issues. I got Ronnie Bell from Michigan. I got Tank Bigsby from Auburn. And I got Aiden O'Connell, quarterback Kings. Max has the next pack.
I got Stetson Bennett.
Who was drafted by the Chargers.
Quarterback Kings. Anthony Richardson. We got Rashawn Johnson. Quarterback Kings, Tanner McKee. And another Stetson Bennett.
Oh, I forgot about him. My bad. Alright, here we go. Looks like we got some We got Deuce Vaughn. Deuce Vaughn from Kansas State, who surprisingly got drafted. Brooks Bowser. That's an interesting last name. He's the draft. Wait, did he get drafted or not?
Brock Bowers, he did.
We got Keyshawn Bout from LSU. Jaheim Bell from Nebraska. And we got first overall 1983 John Elway for the Denver Broncos.
Pretty cool card. Okay.
Yep.
I got Kenny McIntosh. Josh Downs. Another Kenny McIntosh. Ty Simpson. And reporter Todd McShay.
I got the same card from last time, Jaheim Bell from Nebraska. I got Nico Lineman. Nico Ilamalia. Sorry for my bad about that. Don't know where he went to. Probably, I'm guessing, a school in Hawaii. But
It looks like Washington.
Jackson Smith. I know his name's Jackson Smith.
Jackson Smith Njigba.
Jackson Smith Njigba. And then we got an award winner, Max Duggan, for winning the Baby O'Brien National Quarterback Winning Trophy. And we got another one. Third one, Stetson Bennett.
How many Stetson Bennetts do we need?
I don't know. He's an old man. He is roughly, he's 25 years old. Turning 26 years soon.
Got Matthew Berry. Caleb Williams.
Class of 2024.
Jalen Milrow. And another award winner. Brock Bowers. John Mackey Award winner, which is for Offensive Player of the Year. And then Bijan Robinson, Touchdown Kings.
I got first overall draft pick, Joe Burrow, 2020, who has an Achilles heel injury now. And this is the third Caleb Williamson, except this one's the Heisman Trophy of 2022. I thought he didn't win the Heisman that year, but... And then I got Rasheem Rice. I don't know which school, SMU.
Yeah.
Another first overall of Joe Burrow. And then touchdowns receiver Jordan Addison from USC. We got some good players. Well, they're in college.
Well, one of the best quarterbacks of the 2022 season, Hendon Hooker.
He was good until he tore his ACL.
Marvin Mims Jr. Kenny McIntosh. Tyree Wilson. And another Marvin Mims Jr.
Alright.
Oh, you already have.
KJ Jefferson, quarterback out of Arkansas. Class of 2024, Cameron Ward. Benji Robinson, Bijan Robinson, for the Donk Walker Award winner out of Texas. And Caleb Williamson, the second time we had this exact same card, for Heisman Trophy winner. And second time we have this one, Rasheem Rice out of SMU.
I have Jaron Hall, quarterback Kings. Rashawn Johnson from Texas. Taylor McKee. A.T. Perry. And yet again, another Stetson Bennett.
I have quarterback king, Adrian O'Connor. Quarterback king, Stetson Bennett, another one. Another one, quarterback king, Hendon Hooker. Anthony Richardson, is that it, our second one? And another Aiden O'Connell, quarterback king.
Were all of those cards quarterbacks?
Yeah, those were all quarterbacks. Those were all quarterbacks.
Touchdown Kings, Jahmyr Gibbs. Touchdown Kings, Drain Robinson. Touchdown Kings, Jahmyr Gibbs again. We got Tyler Scott and Quentin Johnson.
I have touchdown kings, Jackson Smith Najiba. Touchdown kings, touchdown kings, Quentin Johnson. Jalen Morrow. First overall, 1985, Bruce Smith. First overall, 1989, Troy Aikman. We're getting down to our last two packs. Last four packs.
First overall, another John Elway. A.T. Perry again. And our favorite player is back.
Stetson Bennett.
Tanner McKee. And Zay Flowers. Your turn.
All right. Mohammed excuse me for his name, running back from Minnesota. Benji Robinson, same Doug Walker Award winner. Class of 2024, Spencer Rattler. And another one, Tyler Scott. And another one, KJ Jefferson. I did Arkansas.
Two more packs.
Is it two more packs? We're on our last.
Matthew Berry.
Did we have him again? That's the second time, I think.
Yeah. O.J. Simpson again. Trevon Henderson again. Caleb Williams again. And Bruce Smith again. Bruce Smith was my last card.
Caleb Williamson again. Finally, we got Bryce Young.
It's about time.
Quarterback Kings, Bryce Young. And
our last pack. We got
Rock Bowen, class of 2024.
Rock.
And another one of these, first overall, 2020, Joe Burrow.
Okay, Alex is going to go clean up the trash. I'm going to put this back in here.
Do we have any more packs or no?
No.
No more packs. We're going to get on to the news about what's happening right now. Justin Verlander, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, has been traded to the Houston Astros. Here's the rest of
No,
it.
he goes the other way.
Oh, yeah, I'll go throw it away. Let's talk about some news that has gone on lately. Justin Verlander just got traded.
Where's our case?
Our camera's still on. We're just getting our Justin Verlander is a Houston Astro. Just got traded away to the Houston Astros from the New York Mets. We're going to soon be checking on who got acquired from him, but and sources say, and also the Jets, Nathaniel Hackett finally spoke about what Sean Payton said to him.
Aaron Rodgers did.
And Aaron Rodgers did too. Also, Aaron Rodgers' contract did get reduced today by the New York Jets. And the trade deadline has nothing right now on us, but wait, you want to watch something?
I'm trying to find something.
Max is trying to find something.
Okay.
Wait, that's gonna. We'll just end the recording there, guys. We'll end it and see you all later. Bye. Please leave a like and subscribe.